Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kashmiri carrot pickle. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh, crisp carrots. Wash and peel them, then cut into 2-inch pieces. You'll also need 1 cup of mustard oil, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a mix of spices like red chili powder, fennel powder, and mustard seeds. Having all your ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. After cutting your carrots, blanch them quickly in boiling water for about 2 minutes. This helps tenderize them slightly without making them soft. Immediately drain the carrots and spread them out on a clean cloth or tray. It's crucial to let them air dry completely for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight. Any residual moisture can spoil the pickle, so patience here is key. Now for the heart of the pickle, the spices. Lightly roast whole mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and fennel seeds until fragrant. Grind them into a coarse powder. In a bowl, combine this with red chili powder, turmeric powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. Next, heat 1 cup of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat and let it cool down to a warm temperature. This process mellows the oil's strong flavor. Finally, combine the dried carrots with your prepared spice blend, the cooled mustard oil, and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each carrot piece is well coated. Transfer this mixture into your sterilized glass jar, pressing down gently to remove any air bubbles. Seal the jar tightly and let it mature in a cool, dark place for about 5 to 7 days before enjoying. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.